Well, she was an interesting one yesterday. Got a phone call from Tipperwood saying that cars broke down on the side of the road, just up Inwood Road, and have to come and get her and stuff. So I was like, oh, great. So you get in the truck. Of course, the battery's dead, so I throw the charger on it, and then it still won't start. So then I gotta figure out why it won't start. And then, of course, it was a freaking fuse, but to find the fuse took probably half an hour. So Tipperwood's freaking walked home. and yeah, so get there, and the thing's pissing fluid out all over the place, so I drug it back. And yeah, here we are. Splendid. Well, we found the culprit. Those guys don't work too good when they're a C instead of an O. Right there, that's the guy. So I mean, it just, a line popped off because the O-ring decked, I guess. But I'll just give her a couple 2037 pump of peonies there. And next Thursday or so, we'll have some gears, hopefully. Hopefully it's not decked, you know what I mean? Because that would suck. We should have just kept that van, but whatever. Too late now. Too late for what have yous, you know what I mean? But yeah, that was a good van. That one was. Should have never brought her to the scrapyard. That was crazy. Just put a new coil in it, and you got to take the whole friggin' cowl off, and new ball joint, and that's the whole friggin' control arm. That wasn't cheap or easy. Just to get smidged. Just to get friggin' smidged, boys. Oh, push it in. Oh, wait. Oh, that was pretty close. But yeah, so hopefully fuse in the truck, fix the starter button there, and just a hose clamp broke off, so that's way better than it could have been. But we're still, you know, transmission could be pooched. It was acting kind of funny. Maybe it was just a little bit leaky peeny, no notice. But yeah, I don't know. We'll top her up and see what happens. Hey, what else can you do other than tear the transmission out of it? I'm going to tell you right now, we're not doing that. Okay? He's all growed.
What's going on?
Not too bad. What are you saying?
Oh, not much.
What, are you old now?
Getting there.
Really?
Trying.
Oh, no.
Oh.
You off the monkey buns?
I eat them a little bit.
Oh.
I eat them every day at work, so.
Totally on the monkey buns. Oh. You ever wanted to just beat a guy's fucking head in with a rock? Oh. Probably just like give it a bunch or something. I don't know. Pardon me?
Give it a couple squirts, all good?
I think so. Seems reasonable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy schneikowitz, buds. Oh. Thank schneikowitz. I was getting choked. You know what I mean? Look at faulty components.
Fucking snapped her.
Fucking faulty components. Cost me a headache.
Nose clamp, buddy.
What happened?
Big iron hose clamp.
Big iron, yeah, exactly. Garbagey. Are you helping?
Helping.
I had to get Doodle over to help me change my tires because I don't know how. He's ever grow. You're growed now?
Pro, you growed up?
Yeah, you're growed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at him go. Imagine those were dude's nips. Hey?
All nice and cold.
Yeah, just twisting on him relentless. Well, happy. Mark. Cold?
A little bit.
pissing. Oh, try the new treads out. They rub a lot less when you turn. I noticed that. They're a lot better in the snow too these tires. A lot of times even a little wet on the pavement, just slipping all over the place. Are you gonna get a truck with a step shifter?
One day. Little car can't do much. Just go-kart and everything now.
Did you get the motor in, Chris, on the frame in there? You got her sitting in?
Got the rad and the fucking intercooler in the cab now, so it's kind of stabbing her on for, we're gonna take it on and off a bunch more times, but.
Hey, Chris, could you take on some more?
More projects?
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking about it.
No, I just teasing you.
You know, when you're in the mud, what you want to do is absolutely floor the shit out of it. Oh, Father Lard. You find one?
Not really.
Oh, I
There's a lot
apologize.
there, isn't there?
Yeah. They're probably all anyway. They've been sitting there for a long time.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris, take a quick peek at your project.
Sure.
We won't hold you up. We'll just get out of here. Oh, you got the tab down and everything.
That's not on there straight at all, but I just making sure, everything, the fan and shit. I just put the radiator and intercooler in it, right? So I want to make sure
You're doing
everything
good.
fit before I got
on
too
your
carried away.
We don't have to be in here. Who wants to go outside?
Oh, I know.
Nice and warm.
That's why I do this shit. It's in the winter time, then I got something to do, keep me busy inside, and then I don't have to f around outside too bad.
No.
I can't believe how good that rust stuff works.
Yeah, well, the frame was really good anyway, right? But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, that's obviously painted on top of that.
Yeah, I
But
see
yeah, the
that.
black.
I was thinking, I hope that cures.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember that now.
Whoa,
Right, oh,
hey,
careful.
I'll be in touch. Thanks,
Yeah,
Chris.
right on. Thanks a lot.
Take care, Chris.
Oh, Dick. Eh? Oh, Dick. I always wanted one of these. I never had one before. I saw it in a movie one time. Let's try something. What are we going to try? This one, maybe. Jab her in. Give her a twist. I think the lubrication worked after letting it just sit with lubrication. Now it's coming out. Ha! For f***'s sakes, we don't even now need to use our tool. Oh, looks like somebody's been bashing on the end, that's why. I don't think this unbashes ends, but let's see if it'll make it hot. Oh dear. She lit up terrible. I can smell it already. Oh, she's smoldering. Shoot you big time. I'd say that's warm. Oh, That's terrible hot. Yeah. And the wrench is smoldering. Holy. Good Jehoshaphat. But yeah, this thing should work out probably. Get some rusty bolts out of some different places. Let's see if we can touch it yet. Oh! Why would I do that? It's not even hot. I was lying on you. Hey, I just lied on you a little bit. I apologize. Yeah, that worked out friggin' splendid. Anybody looking for Fanty Panthers for their Dodge comments, then I got a set here. Pretty good treads, not too bad. You know, they'll clean up nice. I don't want to get them, you know, whatever, but we'll get them cleaned up there. For sale, boys. I know I'm not a gangbanger anymore. Sorry about that. Okay. But yeah, I had a good visit with Doodle there. But anyways, yeah, anybody's interested, they're perfect shape. Nothing wrong with them. What else? Oh, the caps are over here. Caps, lub nups, rims and tires, 22-inch bang bangers. But yeah, anyways, hopefully that tool makes it easier to get rusty dickered bolts out all these junk trucks I keep working on for some stupid reason. But yeah, anyways, boys, smoke cigarettes.